it, Jack.
And these are my fire glasses. They're really cool.
So Jack, tell us everything you have on. What's on your feet?
Fire boots.
Okay, don't get too close now. Back up. And show. So you got on your fire boots, right? And then what's on your face?
My fire glasses.
And what else?
My fire hat.
And what's in your hand?
My axe.
And so what are you going to do with the axe?
So I'm gonna knock down doors and windows.
To do what? To save people from the fire?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You going to get to work now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Where's the fire?
This on Pickle Street and Royal Road.
Okay. Let's see you go fight the fire.
Okay, that's a long way there.
Okay. How are you going to get there? You going to walk? Or are you going to ride your fire truck?
I gotta ride a big fire truck.
Okay.
Big fire truck to really fast.
Where is the big fire truck?
Right there.
Okay, get on it. And show us how you drive to the fire, Jack.
Okay. Let me get all this stuff off. We stand up on this bucket truck.
We do?
Yeah. And this is the yellow. We used to put this in.
I thought that was an axe. It's a dual-purpose mechanism?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a yellow.
Okay, let's see it. Hey, Gloria. What are you doing? What are you doing, honey? Are you helping Jack drive the fire truck? Gloria? Gloria, what are you doing?
She is doing the controls.
She is?
And I'm getting the fire truck on. This is what we used to climb. It's a ladder. This is a ladder. The ladders are supposed to be there. This is a ladder that used to shoot down water onto the fire.
Are you at the fire yet, Jack?
No,
No, not yet.
I need to start the fire truck.
Well, let's start it up.
This is a grass pedal.
It's a gas pedal?
Yeah.
Well, let's go.
I can push the grass pedal. That makes the sirens go on. See, the sirens are on. I'm almost at the fire.
Hey, Gloria. Gloria, are you helping Jack? Are you helping Jack? Gloria, look at Daddy.
Radio.
Gloria.
Yeah.
Gloria.
I used to hang my fire hat idea. I can't find my fire hat. I can't be in the fire truck with my fire hat on. I need to hang it.
Well, you better do that.
Police officers, come right now! Fire! 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 Come on, police officers! They're coming in just a second.
Oh, good.
Hey, go to a fire.
Are you there yet?
Not yet. Police officers are at one fire. I need clothes. And they're coming just a second. I need clothes. I need clothes.
You need clothes?
Yeah.
Yep.
I